Now to install it in a virtual machine. Nothing appears to have been changed in the text mode part of Windows Setup, other than the end user license agreement prompt not coming up. The GUI phase of setup has been modified in several ways. The background is the default Windows Vista background that has been changed to black and white. Well, not exactly. If you use Photoshop to change the colors to black and white, it looks like this. So some more extensive modification has been done to this image. A few other noticeable differences are the bullet points next to each step. They're hexagonal instead of circle. And of course the logo up here has been changed. Here we are at the out-of-box experience. A recurring theme in Windows XP Dark Edition is the inclusion of Windows Vista aesthetics. I feel like a nice finishing touch would be to skip the out-of-box experience, because it's going to take some work to repair the automatic updates feature, and you likely won't be activating Windows XP Dark Edition with a legitimate product key. Here we are at the desktop. We have a non-standard icon set for my documents, my computer, my network places, and the recycle bin. Down here we have a modified start button, which we can click on in just a moment. There is an odd banner up here at the top right that I don't really care for. Then there is this clock down in the lower right. It just annoys me. Is anyone else annoyed by this? Why can't all the numbers just be the same size and aligned in the same row? The calendar is also different. Not much else down here appears to have been changed. Let's click on the Start button and see this is more of a Vista/Windows 7 style start menu. Some elements like the control panel have been changed, and the icon set is different. However, inside most of the system dialog boxes, they look the same. The System Properties window, on the other hand, looks very cluttered to me, and just has a lot going on. Moving on,